Hi children, how are you all? I hope you are all fine and safe at home. This is Aruna, your maths teacher from Bharathidhasanar Matric Higher Secondary School, Arakkonam. Today we are going to see about 8th standard maths, the 3rd chapter, which is squares and square roots. What is squares? Today we will discuss about squares first. What is square? How the square will be? And we have learned about the shape of the square, right? How the square will be? Square is all the four sides are equal are called squares. So, this square, how to find the area of the square? So, one of the side is A, all the sides will be A, right? Because all the four sides are equal now. To find the area of the square, the formula is A length into breadth, that is A into A, which is A square. So, here we are using squares. So, in our day to day life, we are using squares to find the area of the square. See, wherever we are using this squares and to find the area, when we are going to buy a flat, so there we will use how many square feet are there, right? So, 1000 square feet. So, 1000 square feet in the sense what is the cost of the square flat? So, we will multiply there, right? So, for day to day lives we are using squares, right? What is square and what is the square of that number? A number which is multiplied by itself, that is by the same number. Likewise, A into A I have told you now. For example, the number which be 5 into 5. The number should be multiplied by itself is called the square of that number. Okay. So, we are going to see perfect squares, the properties of the perfect squares. The next property is, see, properties of the perfect squares, children. For any natural number n greater than 1, see, we are going to find the product of two numbers. How the number should be is n minus 1 into n plus 1, right? If the question is in this condition, then we can use this property which is n square minus 1, children. See, it will be easy to calculate for us without finding the product of the number directly, right? See, but the condition should be n minus 1 into n plus 1. For example, I will tell you one thing. With simple number we will find 6 into 8. We know the product of the 6 into 8. For the least number it will be easy for us to tell the product, right? But for the 2 digit or 3 digit numbers it will be easy to use the property. Okay. Just I am giving a simple example for your understanding purpose. So, here n minus 1 into n plus 1. The question is in the form of here, which is I can write this 6 as 7 minus 1, right? What is 7 minus 1? 6 into I can write the 8 as 7 plus 1, okay? Yes, so 6 into 8 I can convert like 7 minus 1 into 7 plus 1, which is in the form of n minus 1 into n plus 1. Very good. So, the condition satisfies here. So, I can use the property which is n square minus 1. What is n, children, here? N is nothing but 7, yeah. So, 7 square minus 1. What is 7 square value? We have learned this, how to find the square value, which is 7 square equal to 7 into 7. So, 7 sevens are 49. Very good. So, 49 minus 1, which is what? 48. So, the product of 6 and 8 is 48. So, likewise we can find for the 2 digit numbers too, children. See, the next exercise problem which is given like using the properties of the squares, find the product. We know how to find the product already, but here we are going to use the properties of the squares. 32 into 34. We can write these numbers in the form of n minus 1 into n plus 1, which gives n square minus 1, right? See, 32 and 34. How can I write in this form? In the sense 33 minus 1. What is the value of 33 minus 1? Which is 32. And 33 plus 1. What is 33 plus 1? 34. So, equal to n square minus 1. What is the n value here? 33 is the n value. So, 33 square minus 1. That is all. We know how to find the square of 33. Yes, 33 square equal to 33 into 33. Very good. Now tell me the product of this two, 33 into 33. Just multiply that. 33 into 33. 3 3s are 9. Again 3 3s are 9. The next tens number now. 3 3s are 9. Again 3 3s are 9. 9. What is 9 plus 9? 9 plus 9 is 18. So 8. Remaining is 1. 9 plus 1 is 10. So 33 square equal to 1089. 1089 minus 1. Subtract 1 from this. 1089. The answer is 1088. Very good. Is it clear, children? When the question is in the form of n minus 1 into n plus 1, we can use the property n square minus 1. Yes. So using this, you can solve the remaining problems too. The next property is, see here triplet. What is the meaning of triplet? Triplet is nothing but 3 numbers. Triplet, trip means 3, which is x, y and z of 3 natural numbers x, y and z is called a Pythagorean triplet. So what is Pythagorean triplet? So Pythagoras theorem is there na. So Pythagoras theorem is nothing but using right angle triangle. Right angle triangle in the sense it will make 90 degree in the triangle. So the two sides x, y, sum of the square of the two sides is equal to the square of the third side. So first side will be x, second is y and third is z. So x, y, z, here the Pythagoras theorem is sum of the square of the two sides is equal to the square of the third side. Here only the one condition which we need to remember is the third side what we are taking should be the largest value. The hypotenuse is the largest side in the right angle triangle. Okay. So the condition is sum of square of the two sides, sum of the square of the two sides, which is x square plus y square. Sum of the square of two sides is equal to the square of the third side. This is the third side. Is it clear? So if 3 numbers is given, we need to choose the largest number as the z. Okay. So the condition which is given here is to check the Pythagorean triplet. If 3 numbers is given, the set of 3 numbers, we can find whether it is a Pythagorean triplet or not. And wherever we are using this in our day to day life, in the sense to construct the buildings and to construct the bridges, the engineers, they will use the Pythagoras theorem in the construction purpose. So using this 6, 7, 8, the given set of number, whether it is a Pythagorean triplet or not, we are going to check, children, now. Okay. See, I told you we want to choose the greatest number as z, right? So in 6, 7, 8, which is the greatest number? 8. Very good. So 8 we are going to consider as z, and this is x and y. Okay. So what is the triplet formula? X square plus y square equal to z square, right? Now just substitute the values of x, y, z in this. So 6 square plus 7 square equal to 8 square. See, what is 6 square value? Yes, Vignesh, what is 6 square? Which is 6 into 6. 6 6 are very good, 36. Deepak, what is 7 square? 7 7s are 49. Okay. What is 8 square? Yes, 8 square is 64. Now, we need to find the sum of 36 and 49. If LHS is equal to RHS, then the given set of number is a Pythagorean triplet. Okay. 36 plus 49. Add this. 9 plus 6 is 15. 5. Remaining 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. So the answer is 85. 85, which is not equal to 64. Therefore, the given set of this 6, 7, 8 is not a Pythagorean triplet. Is it clear how to check the given set of number is a Pythagorean triplet or not? Okay. See, the next set of number which is given here as 8, 15 and 17. So here choose the number which is z here. Yes, 17 is z. So the next two numbers we can consider as x and y. Now write the triplet formula. X square plus y square equal to z square. Now just substitute the values. 8 square plus 15 square equal to 17 square. What is 8 square? Which is 8 into 8. 8 8s are 64 plus 15 square. What is 15 square? 15 into 15. 15 15s are 225. Very good. And 17 square. See, if we are known about the square values from 1 to 20, it will be easy for us to substitute the value, or else we need to find the products. Like 17 square is nothing but 17 into 17. So 7 7s are 49, 9, remaining is 4. 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 4 is 11. So 119. Next 1 into 7 and 1 1s are 1, 9. 7 plus 1 is 8, 1 plus 1 is 2. So 289. So if it is known 17 square is 289 directly, we can write the answer too. Okay. Now add the sum of this 64 and 225. 225 and 64. The sum of this is 9, 2 plus 6 is 8 and 2. So the answer what I am getting? 289, which is equal to 289. Both LHS and RHS are equal, right? So the given set of number 8, 15 and 17 is a Pythagorean triplet. Is it clear how to check the Pythagorean triplet? Okay. Next we are going to see the next property, which is for any natural number n is greater than 1, the Pythagorean triplet is given by, see the before sum what we have seen is the set of 3 numbers is given and we find that whether it is a triplet or not. But here they are going to give only one value and we are going to find the remaining 2 values. So 2n, n square minus 1 and n square plus 1 is the 3 set of numbers, triplet numbers. In this, the first set of number, that is which is 2n, will be given. From that we need to find what is n and then we want to find the remaining 2 numbers. So we should know how to find the other 2 numbers in the Pythagorean triplet. For that, the property what we are going to use is 2n, n square minus 1 and n square plus 1. Is it clear? Now how to use in the problem? See, find the other 2 members of the Pythagorean triplets. So one of the member is 14 is given and we need to find the other 2, right? So for this Pythagorean triplet is what? 2n, n square minus 1 and n square plus 1 is the set of triplet numbers. In this 14 is given, that is one of the number is given na. So 2n equal to 14. First we need to find what is n. From that we can find the other 2. Okay. So 2n is nothing but n equal to 14 and we need to transpose this 2 to the opposite side. So how we will transpose? See, when this is in the product, that is with the multiplication, it will transpose to the division. 2n is nothing but 2 into n. So which is in multiply will transpose to the opposite side as division. Okay. Now how many times you can cancel? 2 7s are 14. So what is n value? N equal to 7. So now we find what is n. The first number already 2n is given and we are going to find n square minus 1 and n square plus 1. So first we will take n square minus 1. Instead of n we are going to take 7. So 7 square minus 1. What is 7 square? 49 minus 1, which is 49 minus 1 is, yes, 48. Very good. And next what we are going to find? N square plus 1. So n value is 7. So 7 square plus 1. What is 7 square? 7 7s are, yes, very good, 49 plus 1. What is 49 plus 1? 50. So the one of the number 14 is given, we find the remaining 2, which is 49 and 50. So the other 2 members of the Pythagorean triplet are 49 and 50. Is it clear, children? Right. The next what we are going to say is, without adding find the sum. Without adding in the sense 2 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 7, like this without adding directly, we need to say the answer for this. How in the squares we can say? See, the condition what we are going to say is only applicable for the odd numbers which starts from 1, okay. So, in this what we are going to do is, first just count the numbers, how many numbers is given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, just we are going to take the square of that number. So, totally 7 numbers which is given here. So, I am going to find the square of that number, 7 square. So, what is 7 square? 7 into 7 which is 49. Is it clear? So, when the odd numbers is given in the sum of and it starts from 1, then we can just count the numbers, how many numbers is given and square the number, we will get the answer. If you add this also, you will get 49. For example, one more question I will tell you. With simple, see 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. Okay, see the number or odd numbers which starts from 1 now. How many numbers are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. I told you take a square of that number, 4 square. 4 square is what? 4 into 4. What is 4 4s are? 16, right? Just you add this 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. You are getting 16 now. So, without adding like this, we can find the answer using the properties of the squares, children, right? Is it easy for you? In 1 marks while you are writing, so it will be easy to save our time, okay? The next what the property we are going to say is, how many numbers lie between the squares of the following numbers? See, square of this 15 and 16, how many numbers are there, we are going to find directly. See, for example, if they have given 6 square and 7 square. How many numbers between the squares of 6 square and 7 square we need to find? That is, 6 square is nothing but 36 and 7 square is 49. In between this, how many numbers are there? That is the question, okay. That is between 36 and 49, in the sense we need to start from 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. So, totally 12 numbers between 36 and 49, is it? So, without doing like this calculations, we can answer directly, like what, in the sense, the first number 6 is there now, just we are going to take 2n, which is nothing but 2 into 6. 2 6 are 12. Directly we can give the answer. Okay. So, likewise we can find the answer for this 15 and 16 also. So, square of 15 and 16, between this how many numbers are there, in the sense 2n is the formula. Here the number should be the consecutive numbers. Remind it, children, it should be a consecutive number, that is continuous number, it should not be different numbers. Then this 2n formula is not applicable. Only for the consecutive numbers 2n is the formula. So, here n is nothing but 15. So, 2 into 15. 2 15s are what? 30. Is it clear? So, to find the square number of numbers lies between the square of this two number, we will use 2n. So far we have seen about the properties of a perfect square, children. See, your question bank will be like this, which is given in your description box, right? This is the question bank which is given squares and square root, the third chapter. See, find the squares. Here they have given 12 questions. I taught you only few sums, 1 or 2 questions. So, using this you can solve the remaining problems too in the same way, right? The next, see, check if the following numbers are perfect squares. They have given like this. So, for 9801 I have solved, 6287 I taught you, right? So, remaining problems which is left 10 problems, you can find the answers. Likewise, question bank is given to you. And then study material. See, the study material also attached in the description box like this. The study material is nothing but all the properties which is given here, and the exercise problems also solved like this. After you are using the question bank, you will solve the answers, and you can go through this, and with the question and answer is here now, you can check the answers, whatever you find is correct or wrong. And then you have one more thing, which is self-assessment. Self-assessment is nothing but to write the test. After you are finishing the subject note using question bank and study material, you can write the test using this question paper, which is given only for 15 marks, children. So, if you return the test using this question paper, you can evaluate how much you have understood. Thank you, children.